Hello. Today we're learning about the phrasal verb drag something out. It means to make something last longer than it needs to. Usually, this is not a good thing. For example, if a meeting drags out, it takes too long. You can say they dragged the meeting out for hours. Drag something out is separable. You can say drag the meeting out or drag out the meeting. Both are correct. Use it when something is longer than necessary, like a story that takes too long to finish, or an argument that does not end quickly. You can also say, "Don't drag this out." It means stop making it last so long. Remember, it usually sounds negative. People get tired or bored when things drag out. Try using drag something out in your own sentences. For example, she dragged the explanation out. Or, the project dragged out because of delays. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. See you next time.